Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Today we are going to take a look at the Marshall floor plan by SK Homes. The Marshall has almost 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms. There's a huge bonus room. There's a bedroom and a full bath on the main level, which is not the master. It's open floor plan, huge kitchen with a large island. There's a formal dining room, breakfast area as well. There's a keeping room as well as a large covered porch area. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So this is an open floor plan home with a huge kitchen, large center island. There's a butler's pantry, a walk-in pantry, and there's a fireplace over here as well. Keeping room, covered patio area. Let's check it out. Upstairs in this home, you have the owner's suite, which has his and hers closets. There's a separate shower as well as a garden tub. There are 2 additional bedrooms upstairs. One of them has a full bathroom in it, and the other one shares a bathroom with the huge bonus room. There's also a large laundry room upstairs. Let's go check it out. Come on. Well, I hope you enjoyed taking a tour of this home. Now, if you are interested in this Marshall floor plan or any of the new construction homes for sale in the area, regardless of the builder, give me a call. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to view all available properties for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.